Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and easy restaurant style sesame chicken. You'll find all the ingredients you need for today's demonstration in the description box as well as throughout the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell and select all notifications to be notified of my uploads. So I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This is about 1¼ pounds. And if you don't want to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs, you can use chicken breasts. Cut them up into about 3/4 inch pieces. No matter what size you cut them, just make sure they're cut the same size. So to this egg mixture, I'm going to just toss in 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And give everything a mix. About 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. If you don't have all-purpose flour, you can use self-rising flour. Just omit the baking powder. But if you're using all-purpose flour like I am, you're going to add in a teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm going to give everything a mix so it's really well combined. All the chicken's going to be really coated. So once you have all your chicken pieces coated, you're going to fry it. So I'm just going to fry mine in vegetable oil. And I'm just going to place the pieces of chicken in there. I'm shaking them apart in my bowl to make sure they're broken apart, and I'm just going to place it in the oil. I do want to mention my oil is at about 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm just going to cook it until the chicken is done. The way that you know it's done is the chicken begins to float to the top, and once it floats to the top, I usually cook it about 2 or 3 minutes longer. Or you can test it with a meat thermometer and make sure it's at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So my chicken is done. I'm going to remove it from the oil, and we'll be back to make the sauce. I'm heating here on my wok on high heat 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. To that I'm going to add 1 onion that I roughly chopped. And I'm just going to cook the onion for about 3 minutes, just when it's cooking until it begins to become translucent. So my onions are almost to the point where I want them to be. So here in the bowl I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch along with 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce. I'm going to whisk that together. I'm going to add a couple of other ingredients here. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of honey. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of ketchup. Also, I've added a teaspoon of sesame oil to this. 1½ tablespoons of rice vinegar. A couple tablespoons of brown sugar. So I'm whisking all these ingredients together here, and I'm going to add this to my pan here on medium-high heat. So I'm going to let that cook for a minute until it begins to thicken. Now the sauce is coming to a slight boil and it's beginning to thicken. So I'm just going to add my cooked chicken, and I'm just going to give everything a toss together. I'm going to turn off the heat because the sauce is very thick now. So I just plated this up with some steamed broccoli, and I have some sesame seeds, and I'm just going to garnish by sprinkling some sesame seeds all over. And you can serve this with white rice or brown rice, or you can serve this with the rice pasta. Hey everyone, I'm going to ask that you please support me by hitting that thumbs up, share this video, add it to your playlist, and comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on social media. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. It smells wonderful. It tastes way better than the takeaway restaurant. It's nice and tender. The sauce on the outside is amazing. So there you have it. How to make sesame chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to live and be well, and I'll see you soon.